Hey, it's Jackie with Salutio. In this video, I'm going to go over reviewing a little bit of information about editing tables when posting information, especially for mobile view on websites. What's going on in this situation is that on the mobile view, the screenshot shows that this information is getting cut off and is not available for its intended audience, especially the registration online piece. What's going on here is that inside this article, and I'm in a backup version as I've made some changes to the current version of the article, is that this table has likely been clicked and dragged, and that's going to give, as you notice, the numbers next to my mouse cursor, a fixed width and height to the table. And if I look in the table properties, I see that height and that width respectively. Same within the toggle editor, the height and the width is distributed throughout the table HTML. So what I recommend doing for that, I went ahead and hand removed, so I went through and I highlighted each of those formatting pieces and took it out of the article. So you can now see that in the current version of the article on this screen. And you'll notice both in the HTML, it is so much more clean. In the table properties screen, my width and my height is empty. That is what we recommend for tables. So the biggest rule of thumb is never, never, never drag the size of a table to drag the edges of a table to resize it. Never, never, never drag the edges of a table to resize it. Instead, what you can do if you do need to change the dimensions of your table is to click on table properties, maybe make your width 100%, and that's going to fill the width of the screen. And I don't think that will cause any wrapping yet on mobile. But that's one option initially of what you can do with a table. The other option is that there's a hidden styles page built into your site that you can access from the control panel. Let me go there. Control panel styles right here. So you click on that and it's going to open up the styles page. So it says fonts, colors, etc. Towards the bottom of that, we have a couple of tables built in, and also back in the article editor, we can add in one of those table templates as noted on the styles page. There's an insert template button in the editing toolbar, which you may or may not have noticed before, and this is going to allow us to choose one of these pre-formatted tables. M is usually going to refer to mobile, so I can choose mobile table and click insert. If you've already built your table and you don't want to have to recreate what you've done already, this is going to we can edit the HTML a little bit. We're just going to take that first line that applies the class and replace the existing table that you have. So with HTML, there's always going to be an opening phrase, for lack of a better term, and a closing one. So this is where our opening one is, and then so notice table, table, t-body close, tr for row, td for cell, td for cell. So I'm just going to remove that extra table that I added, but I've given this one a class. I'm going to save that and refresh it on the website. That will move things to stack, as you can see on mobile. If you like this look, great, go ahead and keep it. You might have to add another one if you want your buttons to wrap on mobile. If you do not like that view for mobile, it doesn't change anything as far as the way that it looks on a desktop. Then all you would have to do is remove class equals and whatever respective class has been applied. So again, rule of thumb, never drag the edges of a table to resize them, because it will mess up what is visible on the mobile view of your website. Either use 100%, no dimensions on the table, or go ahead and use one of these pre-formatted classes. In the rare occasion that you find yourself using tables over and over and over again and want us to create a custom class for you, we can do that as well. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.